In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color code tasks in Asana tutorial. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use tags and colors to make your task list easier to scan, prioritize, and manage at a glance. Start by opening Asana and heading to the specific project where you want to organize your work. It doesn't matter whether you're in list view or board view, the process is the same. Pick a task you want to visually highlight and click it to open the task details panel on the right. This panel is where we'll make all our changes. Inside the task, look for the three-dot menu, often labeled More Actions, near the top of the task pane. Click that to expand your options. From this menu, choose Add Tags. Tags in Asana are a flexible way to categorize work across projects, and they're what we'll use to apply color coding. Think of tags as quick visual labels that help you group tasks by theme, priority, workflow stage, or owner without changing your project structure. When the tag field appears, start typing the tag you want to use. For example, you could type PERS as a shorthand for personal, or any clear label your team will recognize. If the tag doesn't exist yet, Asana will offer to create it. Go ahead and click Create Tag for PERS to add it. You've just made a reusable label that can be applied to any task going forward. Now, let's make it stand out with color. After the tag is added to the task, you'll see it appear under the task title or in the tags area. Click on the tag to open its options, then select a color. Choose something intentional and memorable, maybe a bright red for urgent items, a calming blue for planning, or a green for ready-to-go tasks. The key is consistency. Pick a color scheme that your team can understand at a glance and stick with it across all your projects. Once your tag has a color, every task with that tag will display the same color indicator, giving you instant visual cues across lists, boards, and search results. If you ever need to adjust, you can revisit the tag and change its color without editing each task. That's all there is to it. Open your project, select a task, use the three-dot menu to add tags, create the tag if needed, and assign a color. Apply the same tag to other tasks to expand your color-coded system. With just a few clicks, you've turned your Asana workspace into a clearer, more navigable place to get work done.